Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just a YouTuber, and today's is the Discord tutorial that I promised you last video. Sorry it's a little late, but better late than never, as I say. And we're gonna have a few pieces to this tutorial, playlist. I have a few already out. I don't know what I covered last, but Discord has made a few updates and whatnot, so we're gonna go over everything again. So this is basically going to be starting out your own Discord channel essentially, and this is going to be a series. If you guys want it, then I'd be more than happy to show you guys. I actually have a Discord myself that we're looking at right here, where I have a bunch of channels of stuff and goodies and a bunch of people that join, and we play games and stuff and whatnot. But anyways, so obviously to get started you want to make an account, and once you've made the account, obviously my stuff's in streamer mode. It's a nerd. But once you get started, to create one, you want to hit the plus symbol on the left hand side and go to create server. Now if you already have someone joining a server, then you can either join their server by clicking this and then typing the link that is given, and to obviously send out a link you can just do the drop down arrow on the channel name, invite, and then copy and paste whatever the link is to send. Anyways, back to making the server. You want to click on the plus again and create server. So this server name can be anything you want. For this instance, I'm going to name it YouTube. Or you know what? I'm going to make it fancy. Just a YouTuber. You want to select a server region that's close by you. This will give you guys better ping and less pack loss, so better connection essentially. And you can change the channel icon. So I'm gonna see what kind of picture you can find. Now I should be able to click on click on that, and you should be able just to find the picture that you want. So I'm just gonna do being stupid. I don't know why it does that to me. And you just click on it, and then it will place the icon or the picture that you chose into the icon space. And then you can click create. And there you go. You have officially started your Discord channel. This gives you the option to invite friends. I'm not really worried about this because it's just for you guys to look off of. And yeah, so this is where you'll see your voice channels and text channels. This is what you get to start out with: one general text channel and then one general voice channel with categories. And that will be the end of this tutorial. The next episode will be showing you how to create categories and create actual channels for you guys to join and whatnot. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next video. Thank you for watching.